right, pulling up to the boat now. Kick off season 4, Sailing Seefest. Zyra and Marty right now.
What is that, 19 years I've owned this boat? You're kidding me.
Hello, pal.
19?
Hi, good boy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi, good
Cliffy,
boy. Get a haircut.
what's up? What's up, buddy? What's up?
I think we can get it to you there.
I'll see everybody. I gotta hit the stores.
You're a little close to the raspberry.
Bye, Les.
All right. See you later. Have fun.
Dad, am I filming or am I helping with the map?
I ain't trying to get cornered on that.
Dad, actually?
No.
How we doing back there, kid?
Pull down. Ready to come down?
No, don't pull it. Just make it heavier. Get under it, get under it. Okay, good.
Oh, wait a minute. The
What?
shroud.
Hey, that's good. That's good.
You all right over there? Yeah. Dude.
Never wear those shoes. Speaking of the boom.
Oh, yeah.
Last time I came out with Sean, his parents closed that 55 foot. It's a really nice boat. And they had a time window, they had to try and get ready to leave. It's not
We didn't hear you cheering.
You're cheering on the inside.
Okay, on the inside.
Right.
That's good.
How does it feel now?
I raced a lot. I won a lot of races. I've been doing a lot of training.
Thank you, race committee.
I'm gonna take a beer after.
So you know what?
He might have.
Could be right. Or he might have inherited.
I lost this one.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
A 5.3 LS swap already done in it. Runs perfect. No, he's selling that. He just went